October 25 is the International Artist Day. The International Artist Day pays tribute to those creative souls, which will leave today's records for the future that cannot be captured in the history books. The pain and joy of human souls are depicted through the lingering tones in the melody, the violence and anger captured in the photos, or the statues staring at the eternal quiet eyes. The International Artist Day was established to allow us to celebrate the incredible world of art. This is our oil pastel painting and its painting time-lapse for this special day. Have a great day.